Hi guys, today we are going to solve your NCERT exercise 7.4. So guys, we know that as we are having a 12th CBSE term to examination, it will be of a good practice, okay? So it will be like a practice problem. So guys, let's start to solve. The first question is integral of 3x square of dx divided by x power 6 plus 1. So integral of 3x square of dx divided by x power 6 plus 1 is the first question of your exercise 7.4. So guys, every question of this exercise 7.4 is based on the substitution method as well as your some standard integration formula. Okay, so these two parts are very important for the questions of this exercise 7.4. For the first question, what substitution I am going to take is, I am going to take your x cube as t. I am going to take your x cube as t. When you take your x cube as t, then your dt will be nothing but 3x square, correct now? 3x square of dx will be your dt. This is for the substitution that I am going to take for this particular integral. When I take your x cube as t, then your dt will be the differentiation value of t. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square of dx will give us dt. Now when I apply this particular substitution in this integral, I can write the same integral as 3x square of dx. What is 3x square of dx? 3x square of dx is dt. 3x square of dx is dt, and that is something I am having in the numerator. Then divided by x power 6 plus 1. What is x power 6? The x power 6 is t square. Your x power 6 is t square because we know that your t is x cube. If t is x cube, then x power 6 will be t square. Such a simple concept. Then plus 1. Now guys, listen carefully. After this only I am going to use your standard integration formula. So basically before using standard integration formula, what you are supposed to do, listen carefully. I need to write this t square plus 1 as 1 plus t square. You can write like that or you don't need it. It's your choice. But the thing is, writing like this will make you people understand easier. Because basically I am going to use your standard integration formula now. So that's why I am saying. So guys, basically why I wrote this t square plus 1 as 1 plus t square is because, try to understand one thing, we know in standard integration formula is integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square is equal to tan of x plus some constant. It's one of the standard integration formula, correct na guys? Integral of dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan of x plus some constant. It is a standard integration formula. Basically, in order to make this both these two integrals same, that is why I wrote this t square plus 1 as 1 plus t square. Very simple thing now. Because guys, so that these two integrals will be same in sync. Same in sync means each and every term will be same. Here I am having 1. Here your t x is t. Your x is t. Okay, that's all. So basically you are supposed to understand one thing guys. Basically this standard integration is not a primary standard integral formula. This particular standard integration is derived from a primary standard integration formula, and that particular standard integration formula is integral of dx divided by a square, the x square is equal to 1 by a of tan of x by a. From this formula only, this particular standard integration derived. Of course, I hope you guys know that. Because here, your a square will be 1 square, because 1 square is 1 only, plus of x square will be 1 by a, 1 by a will be 1 by 1, into tan of x by a will be x by 1, because here your x is x itself and your a is 1. Because your 1 square is 1 only. Okay, so that's what I want to explain you to people. So this is not needed, but anyway, I explain. Okay. So now when you use this particular standard integration, this particular integral, I will get it as tan of t plus some constant. So what I took for t guys? I took t as x cube. So tan of x cube plus some constant is the answer for the first question of your exercise 7.4. Actually, this formula, because integral of dt by 1 plus t square is tan of t plus some constant. So t value is x cube, and that's the answer for the first question. Now let us move on to the second one. The second question is So integral of 1 into dx will be root of 1 plus 4x square. Integral of 1 into dx, 1 into dx means dx only, so I will write that dx. Dx divided by root of 1 plus 4x square. I think that's the question, guys. So in this question, what I'm gonna do is, first you need to use the substitution only, guys. For every question, first you need to use substitution, then standard integration formula. So what substitution I'm going to do is, I'm going to take your 2x as t. When you take your 2x as t, then your dt will do nothing but 2dx, correct now? Correct now? When you take your 2x as t, then your dt will be 2dx, because dt is the differentiation of value of t. The differentiation of 2x is 2, of dx will give us dt. A very simple concept. Okay. Now when you apply this particular substitution in this integral, I can write the same integral as integral of dx. If 2dx is dt, then dx will be dt by 2, correct now? If 2dx is equal to dt, then your dx will be dt by 2. Very simple. Solve this. So now when you use this particular substitution, I will get integral of dx. What is dx? That is dt by 2. So I will take that 2 outside the integral. I will get it as 1 by 2. Correct now, guys? Dx is dt by 2. I just took that 1 by 2 outside. Then divided by root of 1 plus 4x square. Root of 1 plus 4x square. What is 4x square? That is your t square. That is your t square. It's a very basic thing, guys. As we know your 2x is t, then 4x square will be t square, because your t square is 2x whole square. 2x whole square is 4x square. And that is why I wrote 4x square as t square. Now after this, I am going to write this 1 plus t square as t square plus 1. I just wrote that 1 plus t square as t square plus 1, because here also I am going to use one standard integration formula, and that's a very important one. So what standard integration formula that I am going to use is, guys, it's important. Integral of dx divided by root of x square plus a square is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus some constant. This is a standard integration that I am going to use now. Okay, so integral of dx by root of x square plus a square will be nothing but log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus some constant. So basically, I just wrote you 1 plus t square as t square plus 1 inside the square root, because in order to make these two integrals same in sync, then only I have root of x square plus a square, because your x is a variable of that particular integral and 1 is a constant. A is a constant now. So I should have a constant in this place and I should have a variable in this place. That is why I wrote like t square plus 1. I interchange them, reverse them. Now guys, your a square means 1 square only. I can write this 1 as 1 square, no problem, anyway it will be 1. So basically if I use this formula, where I can write, I will rub the question itself, okay. So you will get it as half into half into integral of dt by root of t square plus 1 will be log of t plus root of t square plus 1 square. 1 square is 1 only. Then plus some constant. This is what you will get when you use this particular standard integration. That is half into log of t plus root of t square plus 1 plus some constant. Now what we took for t? We took 2x as t. So I will get the same integral as 1 by 2 into log of t. T is 2x, then plus of root of t square plus 1. T square plus 1 is 2x whole square plus 1, that is 4x square plus 1, then plus some constant is the answer for the question. So guys, why I am taking very slowly is my throat is not good now, okay. So half into log of 2x plus root of 4x square plus 1 plus some constant is the answer for this question, okay, because we took t as 2x. Very simple concept, okay now. So this is the answer for your second question. Now let us move on to the third question. Let us move on to the third one. The third one is integral of 1 dx. 1 dx means dx only. Then divided by root of 2 minus x whole square. Then plus of 1. So guys, this is the question, I think so. Yeah, of course. Now, in this question, what I'm going to do, well, listen. In this question, what substitution I'm going to take is, I'm going to take your 2 minus x as t. I'm going to take your 2 minus x as t. when you take 2 minus x as t, then your dt will be nothing but, minus dx, correct now? Your dt will be minus dx because dt is the differentiation of value of t. So differentiation of 2 is multi because differentiation of a constant is 0 and differentiation of minus x is minus 1. So minus 1 into dx is minus dx and that will give us dt. Now when I use this particular substitution in this integral, I can write the same integral as integral of dx. If minus dx is equal to dt, then your dt will be nothing but, your dx will be nothing but minus dt, correct now? If minus dx is equal to dt, then your dx will be minus dt. Very simple one. If minus dx is dt, then your dx will be minus dt. So I can take this minus outside the integral because minus 1 is a constant. So I can take outside the integral. Then divided by root of 2 minus x whole square. So what I took as 2 minus x, that is t. So t square plus 1. Very simple now guys. 2 minus x is t, so t square plus 1. Now after this, it's gonna be very simple. So what I'm gonna do is listen carefully. As I earlier told, I use one formula now. Integral of dx divided by root of x square plus a square will be equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus some constant. This is the standard integration that I told earlier, correct now? So this is the same integration that I am going to use here also. So that will be nothing but minus of log into x plus will be t plus root of t square plus 1. Then plus some constant. Very easy to see. So just to use this particular standard integration, here your x square is t square and your a square is 1 square. Okay, because 1 square and 1 both are same. So that's why I wrote it as log of x plus, that is minus into, because I'm having minus here, minus into log of x. X is t, so x is t plus of root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square is root of t square plus 1 square. So t square plus 1 square is t square plus 1. 1 square is 1. So now what we took as t, guys? What we took as t? I think we took t as 2 minus x. So log of 2 minus x plus of root of t square, that is 2 minus x whole square plus 1, then plus some constant. Now you're supposed to solve this particular expression. So I'm having minus of log of something now, guys. Minus of log of something is log of 1 by something, correct now? Minus of log of something, that something is 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1. So minus of log of something is log of 1 by something. So I can write as log of 1 by 2 minus x plus of root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1. 2 minus x whole square plus 1 will be x square plus 4x plus 5, correct now? 2 minus x whole square plus 1 will be x square plus 4x plus 5. Just check it out. Then plus some constant is the answer for the question. So basically what I did is minus of log of something is log of 1 by something, basic log properties. Log of minus of log a is log of 1 by a. Okay, so that's what I did. Now guys, and this is the answer for this particular question. This is the answer for your third question of exercise 7.4. Now let us move on to the fourth one. The fourth one is, I think it's a simple one, so let us solve it. So the fourth one is integral of dx divided by root of 9 minus 25x square. This is the question. So guys, in this question, first I am going to do your substitution only. So now I am going to take your 5x as t. When you take your 5x as t, then your dt will be nothing but differentiation of 5x, that is 5 dx. Correct now? When you take your 5x as t, then your dt will be 5 dx because differentiation of 5x is 5 of dx will give us dt. Now apply this in this integral. So integral of dx. So integral of dx will be as 5 dx is equal to dt, then your dx will be dt by 5. Correct now? Correct now guys? If 5 dx is equal to dt, then dx will be dt by t. I mean dt by 5. Simple way of solving equation. If 5 dx is dt, dx will be dt by 5. So I can write this dx as dt by 5. So I can take this 5 outside the integral. I will get it as 1 by 5. Correct now? Correct now? So 1 by 5 into integral of dt, because we know that your dx is dt by 5. So integral of dx will be integral of dt by 5. I took that 1 by 5 outside because it's a constant. Then divided by root of 9, I can write it as 3 square. Then minus of 25x square is nothing but t square. Because here 5x is t, so 25x square will be t square, because 5x whole square is 25x square. Correct na guys? Because your t square is 25x square. Substitution. Okay. So I wrote this 9 as 3 square. Why? Because you have to use your standard integral formula, that is integral of dx root of a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse of x by a plus some constant. That's the standard integration that you people know already. That you guys know already. So integral of dx will be root of a square minus x is equal to sine of x by a plus some constant. So when I use this particular standard integral formula, I will get it as 1 by 5 into integral of dt by root of 3 square minus t square. Now here your a is 3 and x is t. Correct now? Here your a is 3 and x is t, because we know that your a is the constant and x is the variable. Such a simple thing that you guys need to know already, and x is the variable for this particular integral. So this is nothing but sine inverse of x by a. What is x by a? X by a is t by 3, because we know that your x is t. Your x is t match with these two integrals. X is t and a is 3, then plus is some constant. So then plus is some constant. Now what I took for t is, what I took for t? I took your t as 5x. So 1 by 5 into sine inverse of t by 3. What I took for 3? I took 5x as 3. I mean 5x as t. Then 5x by 3 plus some constant is the answer for this question. Is the answer for this question, because I took t as 5x. Just I substitute the value of t, and this is the answer for this question. 1 by 5 into sine of 5x by 3 plus some constant, and that's the answer for fourth one. Now let us move on to the fifth question. Let us move on to the fifth one. The fifth one is the fifth one is integral of 3x divided by 3x divided by 1 plus 2 into x power 4 of dx. I think this is a question. Yeah, of course. So guys, this is I will say it's one of the tough question, because basically the substitution that you are gonna do is unexpected one. I may say it as insane one. Okay. So I need to do a insane substitution, because the substitution that I am going to do now is unexpected one. An unexpected one, because most people don't try to do in this way. Most people don't have idea of the substitution, because it's that substitution, that type of substitution. So here I am going to take your root 2x square as t. Not even a relation of this integral. You may think, what when you are saying root 2x square, there is not even relation with this integral. What man, what you are saying? That's why I say it's an insane substitution. Okay, root 2x square is not at all related with this integral. But anyway, listen. So when I take root x square as t, then dt will be 2 root 2x, correct na? Then your dt will be 2 root x, simple. If I take root 2x square as t, then your dt will be differentiation of root x square. So differentiation of root x will be 2 root 2 of x, because we know that your differentiation of x power n is nx to the power of n minus 1. Correct na? So that's all. So now when you use substitution, listen. First, before using substitution, listen carefully. I am having 3, right? I need to take this 3 outside the integral. Then I will get it as integral of 3 into integral of x dx will be 1 plus 2 into x power 4. Correct, guys? This is what you will be left out. I hope it makes you people clear. So I just took your 3 outside the integral because I am having integral of 3x. So as I am having 3x, I can take the 3 outside because it's a constant. Having constant does not matter at all. So I can take it outside the integral. As I am having 3x, I just took your 3 outside the integral. Now use the substitution. I will get it as 3 into integral of x dx. If 2 root x of, guys, I forget to write dx now. Yeah. 2 root 2x of dx is dt. If 2 root 2x of dx is dt, then your x dx will be dt by root 2. Correct now? Then your x dx will be dt by 2 root 2. Simple way of solving equation. If 2 root 2x of dx is dt, then your x dx will be dt by 2 root 2, because 2 root 2x of dx is dt. So x dx will be, this 2 root 2 will go to the RHS, then it will become as divided by 2 root 2. So that's what I am gonna write now. So as I am having 3, guys, then into integral of x dx. X dx is dt by 2 root 2. So I can take that 2 root 2 outside the integral, then I will get it as 0 by 2 root 2. Correct na? Because x dx is dt by 2 root 2. So as it is divided by 2 root 2, I will get it as 3 into 1 by 2 root 2. 3 into 1 by 2 root 2, 3 by 2 root 2. Then divided by 1 plus 2 into x power 4. 2 into x power 4 is t square. Correct na? 2 into x power 4 is t square, because t is root 2x square. If t is root 2x square, then t square will be root 2x square whole square. That will be 2x power 4. Correct na, guys? Root 2 square is 2. X square is, I mean x square whole square is x power 4. As I know root 2x square is t, then your 2x power 4 will be t square, because t square is root 2x square whole square. That will be 2 into x power 4. Now after this it's gonna be very simple, guys. As I told na, as I told on formula, right? That is your standard integration. So integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse of x plus some constant. This is a standard integral that you guys are supposed to know. Now use this here. So when you use, I will get as 3 by 2 root 2 into integral of dt by 1 plus t square. So dt by 1 plus t square will be tan inverse of x. What is x here? That is t. Then plus some constant. Now what I took for t, guys? What I took for t? Guys, I forgot to tell one thing. I wrote wrongly, okay? Integral of dx divided by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse of x, not t, guys. Sorry. Tan of x plus some constant. I was having the mindset on this problem. It is tan of x plus some constant. Okay, don't forget. So when I use this particular, so what value of t I took? I took t as root 2x square. Then I'll get it as 3 by 2 root 2 into tan inverse of what? Tan of t. What is t? Root 2x square plus some constant is the answer for this question. The value of t is root x. Just put the value of t in this particular expression, and this is something you will get. And this is the answer for your fifth one. Now let us move on to your sixth question, guys. So I think it's nearly 24 minutes. Yeah. So let us move on to your sixth one. Yes, actually I would have taken very fast, but the thing is my throat is not fine now. Okay, so let us solve. So your sixth one is, your sixth question is integral of x square divided by 1 minus x power 6 of dx. This is the question now. This is your sixth question of exercise 7.4. Now guys, in this question, listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. First, I'm going to take your x cube as t. I'm going to take your x cube as t. When you take x cube as t, then your dt will be nothing but differentiation of x cube. It is 3x square. Correct now? 3x square of dx. 3x square of dx. And this is the substitution that I'm going to take for this question. If I take your x cube as t, then your dt will be differentiation of t value. So differentiation of t value is differentiation of x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square of dx. Now try to apply this in this particular integral. So basically, I'm having integral of x square into dx. If 3x square into dx is dt, then x square into dx will be dt by 3. So I can take the 3 outside the integral, like this 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into integral of dt, because guys, if 3x square of dx is dt, 3x square of dx is dt, then your x square of dx will be dt by 3. Very simple. So I took that 1 by 3 outside the integral, then divided by, correct only na guys, question is divided by 1 minus x power 6. X power 6 will be t square, because we know that your t is x cube, so t square will be x cube whole square. X cube whole square is x power 6, laws of exponents. So this is what the integral that you will arrive when you use this particular substitution for this integral. Now after this, what you are gonna do matters a lot, guys. After this, what you are gonna do matters a lot. So I'm going to use your standard integration. So what standard integration is? Integral of dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus some constant. This is a standard integration formula that I am going to apply here. Here, your a square will be 1 square and your t square will be x square. Simple laddu concept. Okay, your a square will be 1 square, x square is t square, because your a is a constant. Never ever forget that. So a square will be 1 square, 1 is a constant, minus of t square. So t square is the what is t? Your t is the variable for this particular integral. Correct na? So here also x is the variable for this particular integral. So both of these integral match same. That means they are same in sync. Then I can use this particular standard integration. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a. What is 1 by, guys, 1 by 3 is outside the integral, so I wrote it as 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a will be 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2, because we know that your a is 1. If a is 1, 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2 into log of a plus x. What is a plus x? A plus x is 1 plus t. Then divided by 1 minus t plus some constant. Correct na guys? Because here your a is 1 and your x is t. So a plus x will be 1 plus t and a minus x will be 1 minus t, because a is 1 and x is t respectively. Okay. So now what value of t we took, guys? What value of t we took? Guys, this particular standard integration is very important. So integral of dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x will be a minus x plus some constant. Okay. So now what value of t we took? We took t as, so 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 will be 1 by 6 into log of 1 plus t will be 1 plus x cube. 1 minus t will be 1 minus x cube, because the t is x cube, then plus some constant is the answer for the sixth question. Okay, so because guys 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 6, the log of your t value is x cube. Just I put the value of t, that is x cube. So 1 plus x cube is 1 minus x cube plus some constant. Your t is x cube, and this is the answer for this question. Okay. This is the answer for the question. 1 by 6 into log of 1 plus x cube 1 minus x cube plus some constant. Now let us move on to your 7th one. Let us move on to your 7th one. Okay. Your 7th one is integral of x minus 1 divided by root of x square minus 1. X square minus 1. So guys, for this integral, you need to split this integral into two parts. How I am going to split it? Listen carefully. Can't I split this integral as integral of x dx divided by root of x square minus 1, then minus of integral of 1 dx divided by root of x square minus 1. Can't I split like this? Think carefully and say. I can split like this now, guys. Of course I can do that. So I will write in upward. I can split it as integral of x dx divided by root of x square minus 1 minus of integral of 1 dx can't I split like this? Where is sister, guys? Yeah. So can't I split like this? Listen and say. I mean see and say. I can split it as integral of x dx. Like this I can split. How means listen, guys. So you know now as the denominator is same, I can directly subtract your numerator. That will be x minus 1 divided by root of x square minus 1. Just I split it, guys, because I am having x dx minus of 1 dx. Correct now? So now first let me solve this particular integral, this first integral. How will you solve this first integral is, let me focus on this integral, that is integral of dx divided by, x dx divided by root of x square minus 1. This is the integral that I am having now. So for this integral, you need to take your x square minus 1 as t. We will take x square minus 1 as t, then dt will be nothing but differentiation of value of t. So differentiation of x square minus 1 is 2x. Correct now? 2x of dx will be your dt. Correct now, guys? So that's all. So when I take your x square minus 1 as t, then your 2x dx will be a dt, because differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of 1 is multi, because differentiation of any constant is 0. So when I use this particular substitution in this integral, I will get it as integral of x dx. If 2x of dx is dt, then x dx will be dt by 2. Correct now? So I can take the 2 outside the integral divided by root of x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 is root of t. X square minus 1 is root of x square minus 1 is root of t, because I took t as x square minus 1. Now guys, what is root t? That is t power 1 by 2. That is t power 1 by 2. Now when you take this t power 1 by 2 to the numerator, you will get it as t power minus 1 by 2 of dt. Laws of exponents. Okay, so dt. Now after this, it's going to be very simple. So answer will be half into integral of t power minus 1 by 2 is nothing but I think t power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Correct na, guys? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is t power 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. Then plus some constant. Now I can take this 1 by 2 to this side. I will get it as into 2. Correct na, guys? As I am having divided by 1 by 2, I can take reciprocal. I will get it as into 2. So into 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So I will get it as 1. I am having 2 into divided by 1 by 2. So and I can take the 2 to the numerator. So 2 get cancelled. So 1 will be the left out term. So I don't need to write this 1. Now tell me what I took as t. What I took as t is, I took your x square minus 1 as t. So x square minus 1 power 1 by 2 plus some constant is the value for the first integral. So x square minus 1 power 1 by 2 is root of x square minus 1 plus some constant is the value for this integral. That means for this first integral. So you have found the value of first integral, that is nothing but There is nothing but what? Root of x square minus 1 plus some constant. Now let me find out the value of this integral. The second integral is integral of 1 dx is dx only, 1 into dx dx divided by root of x square minus 1. Now guys, let me check whether the video is on. Yeah, of course it's on. So integral of dx by root of x square minus 1. So how will you solve this question? It is also simple guys. The thing is, you are gonna use the standard integral. Okay, so we know now, again and again I am saying this, integral of dx divided by root of x square minus a square is nothing but log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus some constant. This is one of the standard integral that you guys are supposed to know. So integral of dx by root of x square minus a square is log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus some constant. So when I use this particular standard integral, I will get it as integral of dx by root of x square minus 1. 1 is 1 square. So here your x square is x square only. Under a square is 1 square. Correct na? So then I will get it as integral of this particular will give as log of x. What is x here? X only plus root of x square minus 1 will be, x square minus a square will be x square minus 1 square. So x square minus 1 square is x square minus 1 because your 1 square is 1, then plus some constant. That's the value for the integral. I will repeat once again guys. I just used this particular standard integral, that is integral of dx by root of x square minus a square is log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus some constant. So that's the standard integral that I use here. So here x square is x square only, a square is 1 square. Then we will get it as this particular value. Now we have found the value of this integral. So value of this integral is what? What is value of this integral? This is the value of this integral. Correct now? This is the value of this integral. Now I can club these two integral. Not club guys, subtract. Okay. So root of x square minus 1, now minus of log of, I am subtracting guys because this integral value is root of x square minus 1 and this integral value is log of x plus root of x square minus 1. So log into log of x plus root of x square minus 1, then plus some constant is the answer for this question. Is the answer for the question. It's a good one. Okay. It's a good one. So this is the answer for the question. This is root of x square minus 1 minus the log of x plus root of x square minus 1. Because this integral value is root of x square minus 1 and this integral value is log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus some constant. And that is the answer for your 7th one. Okay. That's the answer for your 7th one. Now guys, let us solve the final one, that is your 8th question. Okay. 8th is the final question. The 8th one is integral of x square of dx. Guys, I hope the storage is correct now. Yeah. So x square, integral of x square of dx divided by root of x power 6 plus a power 6. This is the question that I am having now. Now guys, it's an easy one. So here I am going to take it x cube as t. We'll take x cube as t, then you will get it as, we'll take x cube as t, then you will get it as dt as differentiation of x cube, that will be 3x square of dx will be your dt. Correct now? If you take x cube as t, then your dt will be 3x square of dx. Now use the substitution here. Then I will get it as listen, 3x square of dx is dt, then x square of dx will be dt by 3. Correct now? If 3x square of dx is dt, then x square of dx will be dt by 3. Listen, x square of dx will be dt by 3 just by this particular equation. If 3x square of dx is dt, then x square of dx will be dt by 3. So I can take this 3 outside, then I will get it as 1 by 3 into integral of dt by x power 6. X power 6 will be t square because we know that your x cube is t, so t square will be x power 6. then plus of a power 6. I can write as a power 6 as a cube whole square. Correct now? Think carefully and say your x power 6 will be t square because your t is x cube. Then t square will be x cube whole square, that will be x power 6. Then plus of a power 6, I can write it as a cube whole square. Now after this it's gonna be very simple, guys. What I'm gonna do is standard integration. That is integral of dx. Again and again writing this, but anyway no problem. The root of x square plus a square is equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus some constant is the answer. Correct now? Not answer, guys, standard integration. Guys, I'm taking this video late night, okay? That's why very tired. Late night means 12:01. Yeah, currently the time is 12:30. So, guys, that's the standard integration that you guys know already now. Basic one. So, using this standard integration, I can write the same integral as 1/3 into integral of dt by root of t square plus a cube whole square. So, this will be nothing but log of, listen guys, very important, x plus, what is x? Your x is t plus of root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square will be t square plus a cube square. A cube square will be a power 6. Then plus some constant is the answer. It is not the answer. Now we need to put the value of t. So basically here in this integral your x square is t square and your a square is a cube whole square. புரியுதா? ஸோ ரொம்ப ஈஸியான விஷயம் தான். இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் அசால்ட்டாக பண்ணிடலாம். ஸோ இங்கே எக்ஸ் எக்ஸ் இஸ் தி வேரியபிள் அண்ட் ஏ இஸ் தி கான்ஸ்டன்ட். ஸோ இங்கே ஸோ வி ஆர் ஹேவிங் டி. ஸோ டி இஸ் ஆல்சோ வேரியபிள். ஏ கியூப் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வாட்? இட் இஸ் அ கான்ஸ்டன்ட். வெரி சிம்பிள். ஏ இஸ் அ கான்ஸ்டன்ட். ஸோ இதை யூஸ் பண்ணு. ஸோ லாக் ஆஃப் x. What is x? T, because it x is t. Because the variable for this integral is t. This x is the variable for this standard integral. Okay. Then that is t plus root of x square plus a square will be t square plus a power 6. Now what value of t we took? What value of t we took? We took t as x cube. Now apply this. Then we'll get it as 1/3 into log of t. What t I took? What value of t I took? I took t as x cube, then we'll get it as x cube plus root of t square plus a power 6. What is t square? That will be x power 6 plus a power 6 plus some constant is the answer for this question. Such a brilliant one, guys. It's a brilliant one, and that's all, guys. And this is the answer. Just put the value of t, that is x cube. That's all, guys. So basically why I'm speaking very slow means I have throat problem. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you. Make education simple and go and rock it.